Hey guys, welcome to another recipe in Real Nice Guyana. Today we're gonna be cooking chew beef, and Karishma is gonna cook this beef for us, as she did with the curry, the beef curry. And for that, we're gonna be using about 2 pounds of beef over there. And we have our black pepper, tomato paste, potato, onion, pepper, garlic, scallions, celery, and our oil for frying, of course. So that's about it, guys. So let's get started. So we're using about a whole head of garlic in this stew beef. Makes it taste better, guys. That's according to Karishma, right?
Yes.
So as you remember, Karishma doesn't measure, right? Like every Guyanese housewife, they just put a little bit of everything. They have the touches, but I'll give you the measurements in the description box below. So did you see how the beef curry came out? Nice. The same is gonna be for this stew beef, guys. Guyanese stew beef. So what does go better with, rice or roti?
Rice. Coolie girl like rice.
Here you go. Stew beef and rice. The garlic is all peeled, and the shallot, scallion. So the same with our curry, guys. We're gonna put fresh thyme in our beef. So time for the potato to get ready. So time to wash the beef. So first she's taking off the fat and other stuff from it. Wash it, and then you're gonna wash it with vinegar after. So
No.
So we're gonna bungee, she's gonna bungee, she said, the potato with the beef. And then we're gonna average and take it out. She's gonna average and take it out when it's done. And then add it back after. Makes it taste better, guys. Guyanese way of opening the tomato paste. See that? See that? It's expert. So the knife is used as an opener and a spoon also. So she's gonna add her oil.
I use a little more oil in this one.
A little bit more oil, she said, for the stew than she used for the curry. So our pot was hot already, so the oil maybe a little bit more hot. Yeah. Alright, that looks like it's hot now. So make sure your oil is hot. Paste for our stew. The beef is a bit tough, so in the pressure pot is about 15 to 20 minutes pressuring for beef.
And to let that to fry a little too.
Yeah, so we're gonna fry this for about 2 minutes, minute and a half, 2 minutes. So adding our beef and potatoes now. And you might think that why add the potatoes now? Why don't add it halfway during the time of cooking? So you don't have to take it out. But she says when you bunjay it with the beef at the beginning, it tastes better. Even though you have to take it out and then add it at the end. You want everything to cook from the beginning. Salt. So a little bit salt, a little bit black pepper. And mix it up. Okay, so we're gonna cover this now.
Leave that to bunjay down.
You're not sealing the pressure pot for the bunjay. Okay, so she's gonna give a turn. Looking good, looking good. Some more tomato paste.
Continue frying on slow fire for the next 5 minutes.
Alright. So continue for another 5 minutes on low heat. So this initial process is low heat, guys. So see you in about 5 minutes. Alright, so we're gonna check here. Give a turn. Looking nice already, Karishma.
Yeah. Smell good too.
Smells good. Of course. Okay, so we're gonna add the water which we hot here. And you're just adding to the level of the meat and potatoes, as you see. So now you're going to pressure this. So the onions that we got chopped up there and the scallions going to go towards the end, right?
Yeah, like 5 minutes before coming out.
Alright. Okay guys, so it's time to take out the potato. Oh yeah, baby. Check our stew beef. So she's adding the chopped
Onions.
scallions and onions and stuff. Now towards the end. Alright guys, so our beef stew should be done. Uh-huh. Good to go. See how soft that is? There you go. So that's it guys. Our beef stew is done. Time to add back the potatoes now. And that's it there for our beef stew. So this is going to get a bit more thicker once it cools, guys, and that's going to be perfect. So if you like this video, guys, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please click the bell icon so you get notifications from us whenever we post new videos. Please share this video also, and as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.